Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here I've got a lovely Porsche 911 Carrera 4 finished in LC9A, which is pure white. It's a 2013 car. It is a Carrera 4, so it's the four-wheel drive version of the 991 Gen 1, and as a result it's got the wider body, so those arches stick out 4.4 centimeters wider in total, so 2.2 on each side. It also has the red LED rear strip, which defines the difference between the two-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive in this era. So this lights up when you have the side lights or the headlights on, and then it has LED rear lights as well. It's spec with the rear wiper, and as you can see, it's got the glass panoramic sunroof. So this section here is all glass and it opens up, or you can just have it on tilt. These are piano black plastic, so it gives it a really, I think, sporty look, because it's got a good contrast with the pure white paintwork there. It's like a glacier white. Other options on this car are the silver version of the self-leveling headlights. It's got the, just like all 991 Gen 1s, it has daylight running lights in those lower parts there. The wheels are the optional 20-inch Carrera Classic diamond cut alloy wheels, which are in great condition. Has the brake calipers in black, which is standard on these the 4 models, not the S models. The S models have red brake calipers. The tyres are matching Pirelli P0s, and they've got lots of tread left on them. They're also N rated, so they're all N0, as you can see there, and they're all matching, as I said. So there's N0 all round. Just find it on this one. There it is, Pirelli P0 N0. The faces are diamond cut, and then the interiors are actually painted in agate grey metallic from the factory. So that's how they're finished, and are exactly as they should be. 20-inch all round. Let me find the N0 on this one. It's just down there, that's why I can't see it. It's right at the bottom. This car, I think from new, has had PPF fitted to the whole of the front end, so about halfway up the bonnet, on the leading edges of the wings, and the whole front bumper is all fitted with a paint protection film, which has stopped chips. So it's, as far as I'm aware, it's original paintwork on the whole car, because that has protected the front end. You've got the original stone guards on the sides as well, which protect the rear arches, which are that little bit wider, as I mentioned. So yeah, there's a stone guard on this side as well. It's in gorgeous condition. It does have the electric folding mirrors, so these fold when you lock it, and they also, as a result, have the optional LED welcome lights on the bottom of them as well, so they light up the sides of the car, and obviously the LEDs at the front and the rear light up as well when you unlock it at night. It's such a stunning colour, I think, combination with the red stripe, white paintwork, and then the black roof there, the tinted sunroof with the piano black front and rear of it. Really great condition. On the inside, so I'll talk about the engine now as well. So it's with it being the Carrera 4, which you can see just there, it has the 3.4 litre flat 6 normally aspirated engine. So that means it produces 350 horsepower, and it'll do 60 in basically 4.4-ish from memory. That's all you get to see of the engine. And then it has the rear spoiler there, which comes up at speed automatically, but I'll just do it now so you can see. So that's what it looks like with it up. Has an additional brake light just under there, because that one's obscured when the spoiler's up. And that's what the sunroof looks like from the inside. The interior is the extended black leather, so it has leather on the doors, dashboard, centre console, the whole rear section, including the seats, the centre tunnel, all of these side bits as well. The roof is the internal roof lining is Black Alcantara as well, which looks really really lovely, really plush. Seats have got embossed headrests, which is another option. I should also mention that the tailpipes are also the sports tailpipes. They have quad pipes rather than an oval there for the 3.4s. That's typically what you get. So that's got the four tailpipes, just like the S models do. And the seats are really special actually, because they're the 14-way full electric sport seats with lumbar support. All of the different angles you can orientate. You can lift the front up, lift the back up separately, and then it has that knee support there, back of the knee support, and they're memory, so you can store the memory of the driver's seat with the keys and also have another additional 2 settings there. The steering column, because it comes with that memory package, the steering column's electric as well, so there's a little joystick here which puts it up and down, back and forth, and it remembers where it is based on what you set here, as are the mirrors. The mirrors are also on that setting as well, so it knows that when you open it with a different key, it will move all of that accordingly. It also has a comfort entry and exit, so when you turn it off, it will lift the steering column up, it will move the seat back. That's optional. You can turn it off on the PCM system if you don't like that, but it makes it easier getting in and out of the car, and then once you start the car up, it moves the seat back to where you need it. I actually quite like that function. It's got the optional sport design steering wheel, which I think looks great, and is great to control the PDK gearbox in full auto, full manual, or you can just use it whenever you want to change gears. So that's down a gear, up a gear, and it follows the steering column as well. It's only covered 34,200 miles. The last service was August 2021 at Porsche Bournemouth. So there we go, 34,214. So the next service is due the next major is due August 2025. The next minor is due August 2023. Next oil change is due August 2023. So plenty of time. And also a big bonus of this car is it has full Porsche main dealer OPC warranty until August 2024. So when it was last serviced in 2021, the owner took out a 3-year policy, and that can be passed on to the new owner because the last owner was happy to pass it on. So that'll be done on sale. Now, other options it has are the Sport Chrono Package Plus setup. So it has Sport Plus. It's got the optional PASM. PASM wasn't standard on the Carrera models, the 3.4s, so that's been spec'd up as well. Obviously the panoramic roof is fully optional as well, so you've got also that blind that sort of covers it up if it is a bright day and you leave it parked out in the sun. There we go. And then it has the tilt mechanism for the roof as well, or the full open. So I'll show you what that looks like on the outside, and I'll start it up as well so you can hear what it sounds like, because I think these sound great. These flat sixes, normally aspirated engines, are very special and a dying breed, sadly, due to emissions laws. So it will these engines are the 3.4 direct fuel injection engines, so they don't suffer any of the issues of earlier 996s, 997 Gen 1s, which is bore scoring, the biggest problem, the IMS bearing failures and the RMS oil seal leaks. None of that affects these engines. These were all engineered, all of those issues were engineered out of the car, out of the engines when they released the 997 Gen 2, and then these ones, the later 991 Gen 1s. And also because they don't have the turbochargers of the 3-litre twin turbos from the later 991 Gen 2s, which are 2016 onwards, they don't have issues with turbo oil supply failures, which cause turbo failures over time. This is basically the safest, most reliable sort of modern Porsche engine you can get, the direct fuel injection one. So that's 997 Gen 2s, 991 Gen 1s, like this one here. So that's all we sell because of that reliability. So then the other options are, it has cruise control, so it has the extra stalk there with the cruise control there. It has a full digital radio system, DAB. It has Bluetooth audio streaming, so it has phone connectivity, so you can pair the car to your phone, so then you can answer phone calls and everything else on there. It has a full satnav system, which is all of Europe as well. It has the cup holders there. I don't think you can see there. There's the cup holders, which come out, and then we've got the extra 12-volt supply there, and USB for loading MP3s onto the jukebox, and a wired connection there. If you don't want to do Bluetooth audio streaming, you've got an additional 12-volt there, and an additional 12-volt, if you can see it, just buried down there. So 3 12-volts, and it has the full BOSE system, which is a 12-speaker digital surround system, which sounds phenomenal in these cars. And I'll just show you the front boot. So there is the roof. I think looks really great. Up or down. And there's the electric folding mirrors. I'll press that to show you how they fold in. So that's the mirrors folded in. There's the front boot. It's got the original Porsche battery, the original Porsche compressor in that area here, and it's got all the tools, locking wheel bolt, the spanner and screwdriver set, and the headlight adjustment tool there. And it's got tyre gel in that side and warning triangle there, obviously. So all is as it should be. It's got the original VIN sticker there as well, and on the back it has the same. All of its original stickers are on the doors where they should be. So there it is, there, and I'll just show you again on the rear boot lid as well. So all the panels are original, and as I said, I suspect it's original paint with the low mileage, and also it's had that PPF from new. So there you have it. So a pure white Porsche 991 3.4 Carrera 4. So it's the wide body. If you're interested in the car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.